Well, hello everybody, and welcome back to G Bears Off Grid Ways, a homestead in the desert. May 18th, 2021. Look what showed up finally. Well, this morning I got a call from the CEO's office and had a very nice person take all the information down about all the hassles I've been going through with FedEx deliveries from Bloomington, California, and said, well, I'll guarantee you'll get your package today. And guess what? Got here at 4 o'clock this afternoon. And it came in a Penske truck, a rental truck, with two guys. Also, it went to my neighbor's house, and they brought it down to me, but they told me that they also delivered a package that her neighbor had been waiting for longer than I've been waiting for this one, and they finally decided to deliver it at the same time. So go figure, right? Anyway, I'm glad that's all over with. I hope it never happens again, because I'm going to be ordering a new smartphone from my insurance, because this one's got a cracked lens on it and a cracked camera lens. So I got to get this thing replaced, because of course every now and then I use my camera. You know what I mean? Anyway, I've already popped it open, and it came inside of that box with all of these extra little supports and stuff. There's some more down inside there. So it was packed, double packed in boxes. And this is the Ames right here, Ames Power. And it's a big box. It's got to be about 30 inches long, and I'd say 14 inches wide, and probably 12 inches deep. Okay, it's got some broken styrofoam in here, so it's been beaten around a little bit. Anyway, I'm recording this because if there's anything wrong with it, FedEx is in trouble. All right, so by the way, while I'm unpacking this, I want to say yesterday I made the book for me to read. I made the dice contest a little bit harder, and everybody had trouble with number 3, which was inside the garage. And I gave everybody an opportunity to go back and look and then re-enter so they could still get their entries. So this is my Ames Power. Of course, I would have set it on here upside down. And let's see what we got here. We'll get some covers for the terminals. Those must go over the tops of these. Got a little tear in the bag, but it doesn't look like, from here, it doesn't look like there's anything really smashed or broken. I'll be taking this out of the box, and I'll read the book tonight and see what I can do. Anyway, I was saying about yesterday, I made it pretty tough on you guys on the dice game, and since there's only today and tomorrow left to get your entries in, I decided today I'm going to have make it real easy for you and have a gimme little opportunity here. So I don't think you'll have any trouble at all getting the order straight this time, and finding out which one has the bonus and all that kind of stuff. So this thing is heavy. I mean, it made me grunt when I lifted it out of my neighbor's car. And good thing we had a couple of cold beers first. Anyway, it looks pretty interesting. Got a lot of little lights and flashy stuff on it here. It's got a little dial thing there. It's got power save, power on and off. And I'll bet you the manual's even written in English. That'll be easy for me to understand, huh? And just like my other one, it's got one fan on this end and another fan on this end. So, yeah, interesting. Now this is a split phase, low frequency series. That's what I had with my power jack. But this one has a much better surge time on it and all of that kind of stuff. So I'll be getting through that, and I'll probably break out my my camera stand and set that up so that we can go through that together. For right now, I'm going to cut this video short, and I'm going to get sitting down, have a cold beer, and read the manual. Nothing like knowing what you're doing before you get going on doing it. It's not like I don't understand how these things work. It's just that this isn't a Chinese model. It's not as easy to figure out. It's got a few extra bells and whistles on it that I want to make sure I know what they do. All right, everybody. So are you all ready to get out and get out your pens and papers and write down the specific order of the dice for today's dice game? Because we're going to be seeing them here in a second or so. Oh, here we go. Oh my gosh, look at that sofa. Isn't that sofa look comfortable? I'm telling you, that is really so comfortable. And if you sit on that end and work your way to this end, you'll probably get the numbers right. All right, everybody. Thanks for playing. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget the thumbs up down there. I deserve a thumbs up just for that last little segment. And don't forget to subscribe down there. This is G Bear signing off.